Minetek's production space has doubled and our warehouse space has increased fivefold. That allows us to keep more products on the shelf ready for our customers and also gives us more inventory to build things quicker. My name's Nick Bramich. I'm the production supervisor here at Minetek's manufacturing hub. We've got two main teams in the production department. We've got the electrical team building switchboards and MCCs for our water and air products. And then we've got a mechanical team which do the assembly for our sound, air and water products. Beyond that, we've got a warehouse. We have a testing facility to run a full function test on all our products before dispatch to the customer. And we have a packing facility as well. Increased space here at Prestons has allowed us to have more products on hand for the customer. It's improved our safety outcomes with bigger delineation between forklifts and work areas. And it's also given us more space to produce more items. Coming out of COVID, Minetek's products have been in great demand. So this expansion comes at a perfect time to ensure that we meet our customers' expectations.